Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we have a 2005 Forest River Salem model 31QBSS. It's got aluminum sides, a electric jack up front, two 20-pound propane bottles. Also has a diamond plate rock guard at the bottom on the front cap. Some underneath storage here in the front. Four corner leveling jacks, two in the front, two in the back. This unit has one slide, one super slide. Good tires, dump station right there underneath. Rooftop AC. This unit is 34 feet long, 6,900 pounds, so it is half-ton towable. It's got a nice big manual awning. Big grab handle as you go through the door. Let's take a look inside. It's got a front island bed, queen size mattress with overhead storage in the front, with the doors that slide for privacy on either side, as you can see here. Aluminum blinds throughout the unit. Jackknife sofa, three-person sofa, folds out to make a bed, overhead storage. And your dinette booth also folds down, makes a bed. That sits in your slide out, both of those. On the other side is your kitchen with your dual basin sink. 3-burner stove. An oven. An overhead microwave. Dometic refrigerator and freezer. This is a quad bunk, so in the back is your bunks, twin size mattresses for all 4 bunks. With a little cabinet here and some drawers. Just in front of that, this is the bathroom with your foot flush stool, tub and shower with overhead skylight, and a power, or not a power, just a crank roof vent. And the sink is outside the bathroom here with your little medicine cabinet and another little side cabinet and mirror. This is a great unit. It's got hardwood floors throughout the unit. No soft spots, no pet smoke or water damage anywhere, no signs of that anywhere in the unit. This is a great unit. It sleeps roughly 10 to 12. Here's a shot from the back to the front. It's a nice little family unit. This is a shot from the front to the back. If you have any other questions, please call. Thanks for watching.